Hello and welcome to Ferrum Network's video where we explain how users send digital assets using Ferrum Wallet. The next step is to sign into your wallet. So you will see we have a wallet A signing in now. And we have wallet B also signing in. You will then be directed to the home page, and we can see that wallet A has 0.39 Bitcoin, whereas wallet B has none. We're going to send Bitcoin from wallet A to wallet B. In wallet A, we are going to go to Send, and wallet B, we will go to Receive. Copy the wallet address from wallet B and enter it into the target address field on wallet A. Select the currency and the amount, and click Send. Before we click Send, we just want to show you one unique function of the Ferrum wallet that is designed to prevent accidental loss. With request confirmation from the other party, this means that both parties have to then affirmatively accept the transaction before it executes. With request confirmation, there is no more sending cryptos to the wrong address. In this instance, we're not going to do that. We are going to click on Send, and the transaction is submitted. We then look at wallet B and can see, boom, 0.01 Bitcoin. What we have done is send a Bitcoin from wallet A to wallet B in less than a second for around 1 penny. Normally this would take anywhere between 10 minutes and an hour. We think this is a pretty amazing accomplishment. Thank you for watching our video on how to send cryptocurrencies from your Ferrum wallet. Please check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Goodbye.